This is one of Ghana's favorite street snack. It's spicy, it is so good, and it's made from some peanut butter and also some roasted corn and other ingredients which you would find out about in the video. So let's get started. Over here we have our calabash nutmeg and some cloves. I'm going to be grinding these into a powdered form, and also if you have the powdered cloves and also the powdered calabash nutmeg or African nutmeg, just go ahead and then use it directly. And this is what we have here. You can see it's smooth. If you realize it's not very smooth, just get a sieve and then just sift it a little to get it very smooth. Into a bowl, just go in with your roasted corn. Use a reasonable amount, but the measurements I used here would be listed in the description, so you want to refer to that. I added in some sugar to taste, and then I went in with my cloves and then calabash nutmeg, which I grinded from earlier. Now I'm mixing everything to bring it to a good mix, and then I will go ahead to just put in my spices. So this is my powdered pepper, and then I'm going in with some ginger paste. If you have ginger powder, just go ahead and use that, but in this video I'm using ginger paste. That should tell you you can use the paste as well. Now mix everything and bring it to a good combination, and then you create in a well. Just make sure everything is well mixed. Create some well and go in with your groundnut paste. So this is the groundnut paste I'll be using. Just go in bit by bit until you are able to form everything very well. So you see, if you realize that your groundnut paste do not have some oil, just go ahead and introduce some vegetable oil. This is going to help to soften or loosen the groundnut paste, and it will help you to mix it very well. So you should achieve something like this, and then we'll take it bit by bit and then roll them into some round balls. That is the regular way it is being rolled, but if you want it in a different style or shape, just go ahead and do it to suit your preference. And this is what we have. You can see it looks just perfect. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining my channel once again, and if you are a new timer, thank you so much for visiting this YouTube channel. I hope that this channel helps you to get whatever you came to look for on the YouTube platform. Thank you so much for watching, and then our Dzowoe or Dakwa is just ready. I hope you try these, and then the next time you see my video, just make sure you click on it, because I might have something amazing for you as well. I always have something you would want to try. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe if you haven't done that yet. If you want more video, then click on this very one. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.